Hello everyone, this is Menghan. Today video I would like to show you another word tip and trick how you can sort a list of text, number and date in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's start. Okay, for example, I have a text like this. It's my channel will have it's a tip and trick, PowerPoint tip and trick and Word tip and trick and more. Okay, so let's sort this first. Select it and go to home. And you will see this one. So we sort by type here, and we can sort descending or ascending. Let's try descending first. So word start right from there, or you can sort this ascending. Okay, like this. For example, you have a number like this. So sort, and we got here number automatically select for you, and you can see the order right here. So what you got in order. Also date, you can sort here automatically noise date, descending or ascending. So you got it. Okay, hope you learned something from the video. If you want another video tip and trick, check the link below or right here. Okay, see you next time.